Okay, we're back. I've installed the SwitchBot, so I thought I'd let you take a look at it, see what it looks like now it's finished. Made a base for it, just some scrap bits of wood. The SwitchBot itself is self-adhesive, so that just sticks on. You put it above the switch, and if I can get some light in there, you can just see that comes down and switches the button. So it's on at the moment. I'll turn it off. Alexa, turn heater off. So there we go, it's automated now. It means we can set up schedules. You can set the timers to come on, well not a timer, but you can get the button to push on and off whenever you want to. So you can set up schedules for the night, weekly schedules, monthly schedules. It's limitless how many schedules you want to add to it. It works through Google Assistant, Alexa Assistant. It's Bluetooth, so you can operate it from the app. Or if you're on your way home and you know it's going to be cold, you can open up the app and switch it on remotely from wherever you are. Fantastic little idea, and it only costs £29, which I think is a really cheap upgrade. There you go, pretty good. Thanks for watching. Also, to add at the end of this video, I've shown a little clip to show what the app looks like, how to open it, how to set a schedule, and I'm going to be setting 2 schedules, one to come on at 5 in the morning and then one to go off at 8 o'clock. So you'll see how easy it is to set up. Thanks again for watching.